In today's video, you'll learn how to fix the Chrome warning that says your connection to a site is not secure. This message usually appears when Chrome can't verify the website's security certificate, but there are several quick steps you can try to resolve it. First, check your computer's date and time settings. Security certificates depend on accurate system time, so even a small mismatch can make Chrome think a certificate is invalid or expired. Enable automatic date, time, and time zone if possible, then reopen the site to see if the warning disappears. If the issue remains, clear your browsing data to remove outdated or corrupted cached files. Go to Chrome's Settings, Privacy and Security, clear browsing data. Select a time range such as the last 7 days or all time, and include cookies and cached images and files. Remember, clearing cookies will sign you out of web. Next, make sure Chrome is updated. Updates often include security improvements that fix certificate-related errors. In Settings, select About Chrome and allow it to check for updates. Restart Chrome after installation and try loading the site again. If the warning persists, try disabling your extensions. Some extensions interfere with secure connections. Go to Settings, Extensions and turn them off temporarily, then refresh the page. If the issue goes away, enable extensions one by one to find the culprit and update or replace it. You can also check whether your antivirus or security software is blocking the connection. Some tools can HTTPS traffic and trigger false warnings. Temporarily disable web or HTTPS scanning to test, but turn protection back on immediately afterward. If this solves the issue, adjust antivirus settings or add an exception. Only use these steps for websites you trust. If the warning still appears after troubleshooting, the problem is likely with the website itself. Avoid entering personal or financial information until the issue is resolved, or contact the site owner for confirmation.